In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files in Confluence. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily integrate your files into your Confluence workspace, making collaboration with your team even more efficient. Let's start by navigating to your Confluence homepage. This is the central hub for all your Confluence activities, containing the spaces and pages you have marked as favorites, as well as a list of your recently viewed content. Once you're here, you'll want to choose the workspace where you intend to import your file. Workspaces in Confluence are designed to organize content related to projects, teams, or any other collaborative efforts you're involved in. Selecting the right workspace from your homepage streamlines the process and ensures your files end up in the intended location. Next, find and click on the page where you want to make the import. This step is crucial because it determines where your uploaded file will be accessible for your team. If you're not sure which page to choose, consider where the file will be most relevant and useful for your collaborators. With the correct page selected, look for the Edit option, typically found at the top of the page or under a drop-down menu. Clicking Edit will open the page in editing mode, allowing you to make changes directly to the content. This is where you'll be adding your file. Once in editing mode, you should see an option to add image, video, or file. Clicking this will open a menu or pop-up window where you can manage multimedia content on your page. In this section, you'll want to select Upload. This is the feature that allows you to bring in external files from your local device into the Confluence page. Now, it's time to choose the file you wish to upload from your computer. You can usually do this by clicking a button like Choose File or simply dragging the file into the designated area. Make sure that the file you choose is relevant to the page and the work you're doing, as this will help maintain organization and relevance in your Confluence space. With your file selected, finalize the process by clicking Update. This will save the changes you've made to the page, ensuring that your file is now accessible to anyone who has permission to view the page. Take a moment to review the page and ensure everything looks right. If any adjustments are needed, you can simply go back and edit again. By following these steps, you've successfully imported a file into Confluence. Remember, this process isn't just about adding files. It's about enhancing collaboration and streamlining access to critical documents for your team. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a Confluence pro. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful guides.